Hey y'all, it's Orca, the water wolf here. So sorry for not uploading a lot. My hair is now purple. If you guys follow me on um, like Snapchat or Facebook or um, TikTok or whatever, Instagram. I haven't posted on my Instagram in forever. I need to do that. So lots happened. Um, I'm back. I'm at my mom's, and I don't know if you can hear, but I have a new puppy. She is a mini Aussie. Her name is Connie. She is the love of my life. Also a little terror, let me tell you. Um, if any of you, I don't think I've said, I've just been, um, uh, I've just really been, kind of away from, like, filming, like, doing these kind of videos. But the reason why I did want to get on here is because I, um, I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and, back in, high school, I believe it was sophomore year, I I was thinking of working, a show that I was working on was in the works, Lone Wing Wolves. Um, about the show, I am most likely no longer. It's been a long time. I do have a script. I don't have any animators, voice actors. Most of the voice actors I know, no longer associate with me. I have decided to discontinue working on making Lone Wing Wolves an animated series. I might do it as like like a book. But with how long it's been, I just need to not work on it. I might do characters differently. Probably will work on the script some more. And, yeah, it's, I dreaded making this video. I just, I had to. Like, I'm now also with another project I'm working on. It's, a, like, a Warriors Cats, story, for my, my OC Mouse Star. And I have quite a few, characters. I am working on, Shadow Clan. Then I'm going to be working on Thunder. Then Wind Clan and River Clan. But right now I am doing not Thunder Clan. Shadow Clan. I have all the female warriors done. I have the medicine cat done, the deputy done, and I also am now working on the rest of the male warriors, and then I'm going to be working on apprentices, kits, and queens, and elders. There's probably not going to be a lot of elders. There might be a couple, because usually there's not a lot of elders in a clan. Well, it depends. But, yeah, that's just been what I've been working on. I have a thing on my drawing app that has most of them. I have some of the male warriors done. I have 5 of them done. Yeah. And it's gonna take a while. I can't remember when I started doing the story. I'll do a video after this talking about, about Malstar's story. But I just have it there. I haven't put it, like, what the name of the book, I should do it. But yeah, if you may notice, but yeah, it's just, I hate talking about quitting Lone Wing Wolves, but I think once I'm done with this project, I might do it back up. I might not. I don't know. But, I know that in my heart, I know I want to continue doing it, but I can't. Like, it's been quite a while since I first came up with the idea. And then I'll still have the characters, but yeah. And I will also talk about the whole why. I mean, I've already done a video about why I changed my name here on YouTube. I will do into a fuller video soon. After this one, after the next one after this one, but I'll probably make the next one either later today or tomorrow. But it's hard saying, like, discontinuing Lone Wing Wolves. Yeah, it's for the better. So, well, I just want to say thank you for everyone that's watching. If you like this video, and if you want to see more of my content, like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions. But yeah, so that's pretty much what's been happening. So this is Orca Wolf, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!